So let's come onto your mat. I'm gonna raise our arms up. Exhale them down. And come on into our downward dog. Pointing your toes to the front of the mat. And breathing, okay? Move into your plank. We're going to hold for about 20 seconds. And the trick is to push the floor away with your palms, okay? Flow down, point your toes into upward dog. And for an extra extension, look up to the sky, keeping your shoulders over your wrists, okay? Flex your toes under and inhale your body up into the downward dog, pushing your chest toward your thighs, allowing your head to hang between your ears and your arms. Breathing. Bring your left foot forward into a lunge. Okay, you see how this is at a 90-degree angle. Keep your thigh parallel to the mat. Okay, even look forward a bit. Twist your back foot out and raise up. Well, keep that back foot forward, but come up onto the ball of your foot and then raise up into a high lunge. Just looking straight ahead. Bring your arms down, okay? Back into the low lunge. Be on the left side. Okay, looking ahead of you. And breathing. We getting boosted up for the day. Okay, downward dog. I'm just flowing into the movement. Adjust your feet as you need to. If you're up here, that's okay. Keep practicing. We need the flexibility for the training.
Excuse me.
Bring your left foot forward. Your right foot, excuse me. But we do on one side, we do on the other. So keep your shin perpendicular to the mat, you see? 90-degree angles here. Extend that back foot. You want to be on the ball of that back foot, okay? So come on up, challenge yourself, right? Challenge the body in a mindful way. Allow your hips to sink to the floor and relax. Bring your arms down, bring your hands back down to the mat. Couple more minutes. Back to the downward dog. I'm just flowing into the movement. Breathe. Just breathe during this. That's what's important, okay? Step forward, feet together. Align yourself with good posture. This is the mountain pose. And we're going to lift up our left knee first. And this helps to practice and increase balance. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Find a spot and focus you know, point those toes or flex them up. This is a total body preparation for the day. So put your left knee down and let's do the same on the right side, okay? Keeping those hips parallel with the mat. Just breathe. This is a challenge. We need that in these ways. Arms down beside you, posture, tuck that tailbone in. You want to stand straight. And peace, okay? Focus on the breathing. I hope you're feeling boosted up for today. Have a good one.